Good night. My name is Pedro. What is your full name? Last name is Guzman. Can you spell me your name? My name is Pedro. Are you married? Single? Uh, yes, I am married. Uh, do you have any children? Yes, I have one children. Um, what are their names? His name is John. How old are you? I am 27 years old. When is your birthday? My birthday is on the 4th of April. Where you born? I was born in Pagatatía. Where are you from? I am from Pagatatía. What is your address? My address is Carrera Novena 436 neighborhood San Miguel. Where do you live? I live in Paquirá. Where do you live with? I live with my son, my wife. Um, what do you in your free time? In my free time, I play video games. What is your hobby? My hobby are video games. Uh, what is your favorite food? My favorite food is French. What is your favorite animal? My favorite animal is dog. What do you study? I am studying agronomy. What is your favorite sport? My favorite sport is soccer. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is green. Where do you work? I work at Flowers Prisma. What is your phone number? My phone number is 3232068 187. Good night.